Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the compass. The diagram below is a basic compass. It shows the four main directions of north, south, east and west. There are four other directions which are at 45 degrees to the main directions mentioned earlier. And here they are. It's northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Now it's very important to know that, for example, that angle there, see that one there? That's 45 degrees, and it's the same for every other angle in there. Each of those is 45 degrees. A full revolution. One full revolution of a compass is 360 degrees. So, if you start at the tip of the red arrow that points north, that's here, then rotate in a clockwise direction till you arrive back at the start, you have made a rotation of 360 degrees. So if you start from there and go all the way around, right around to the end, all the way around here, you get back to the start and you've done 360 degrees. That's called a full revolution or a full rotation. Now I've reproduced the diagram here to make it easier to answer the questions. Question 1. What is the size of the smaller angle between northeast and east? So there's the northeast line there. There is the east line there. Now we saw earlier that that angle there is 45 degrees. Because what it does, it bisects that right angle. See that right angle there between north and east? The northeast line bisects it, so that must be 45 degrees. What is the size of the smaller angle between north and southeast? So we're talking there about that angle there. See that? Up to there. Well, the answer is 90 plus 45. Because right around to the east line is 90, and that little angle in there is 45. If you add those together, you get 135 degrees. What is the size of the angle between east and west? Now that's a straight line. Now we know the angle in a straight line is 180 degrees. Question 4. If you start from the red dot and rotate 270 degrees, how many more degrees do you have to rotate to arrive back at the start? So you've started from here and you've gone all the way around. Got to be careful here, this is a bit tricky. All the way around to there. Okay, and you stop there. How far do you have to go to get back to the start? Well, you've gone 270. All you've got to do is add another 90 and that gives you 360 back to the start. So the answer is 90 degrees. Question 5. If you started at the red arrow and rotated 1.5 revolutions in a clockwise direction, how many degrees does that rotation represent? Now, one full revolution represents 360, so half a revolution must be 180. If you add those two together, the answer is 540 degrees. Question 6. How many degrees in 3 revolutions? We've already seen we have 360 degrees in one revolution. 3 times 360 is 1080 degrees. So the compass is quite straightforward. It's not really difficult. If you look at that diagram there, it's very, very straightforward.